I spent 14 months chasing something that doesn't exist. I asked AI thousands of questions. I tested all strategies. I read every single post, watched every video. And the closest I ever got to the real edge was the moment I stopped asking AI for the answer. Let me take you back to 2022. That time the market had just crashed. Tech stock was cut in half. Crypto market was completely wiped out. I was just sitting there looking at my portfolio. It was getting wiped out. And I was thinking that there has to be some smarter way to do this. That's when I find it, or at least I thought I find it. That time ChatGPT came out and multiple finance gurus was going wild that time. People were posting AI stocks pick everywhere. I used to ask ChatGPT, what is going to be the next Tesla? Or what is going to be the next Fed move? I thought that I am the guy who can find out. So I start writing the prompts and the questions. I fed all the company reports. I check it against the news. I even try to make it talk like a real stock analyst. For the few weeks, it felt like a magic, and I was just kept going. Because when the A is almost right, that is the most dangerous thing in the world. It gives you just enough to make you believe that the next question is going to be the one who is going to answer all of your questions. And that time I used to wake up at 6 asking all of my questions. I don't even see the nights, I don't even see the breaks. I even built the list of all the questions, which got me the smartest sounding answers. And that time I didn't even realize that sounding smart and being right are two completely different things. I had pages full of the AI trade ideas. AIs that look perfect on the paper, clean on logic. Then I pulled the trigger and made the real trades. One evening, A gave me a full plan on a mid-sized tech stock. It tells me every single thing where I have to stop it, where the stock is going to push high. It sounded like, it just came from the Wall Street Journal. I went all in. After 11 days, when I opened my portfolio, I see 18% in negative. And here's the thing, I wasn't even upset about the money. What broke me was how sure it sounded. It didn't even say that maybe this can get wrong. AI gave me a plan which sounded very solid, and I trusted it. Because of that, what we do when something sounds confident, right? Doesn't even matter it's a person or a machine. And this whole situation just broke me down that it was not a good time for me to have this huge losses. And this gave me the opportunity to understand that the AI wasn't even lying to me. It wasn't even dumb either. It was doing what it's supposed to do, finding the pattern in the old data. But the market had already moved on. New money rules, a shift in the market nobody saw is coming. And the AI had no clue on that part. Because the AI is trained on a yesterday data and the market always moves based on tomorrow. After that trade, I stopped asking AI for the answers and I started asking a better questions. I went back to the same stock, same facts, but this time I asked AI, what are the three biggest risks here? And just like that, answer completely changed everything. It showed me the risk I haven't even thought of, where the company is getting its part, rules that could change. So what I was looking for is the real facts, not the buy signal, and not a guesswork on the future. So it was showing me a clear big picture. That's where the whole thing shifted for me. AI is not your advisor, AI is your research helper. There is a difference, and that difference is worth more than any strategy can give you. Because here is the question nobody asks. When they are copying AI traits, who is going to take the blame when things went wrong? Let me make it simple. Here's what AI is good at when investing. Reading a long company report in just 60 seconds, spotting the pattern across hundreds of earning calls, catching when the CEO words doesn't even match their actions, building your first list of stock you can look into, If you are spending 3 hours on the search by hand, AI can just do within 8 minutes. On this part, you can save your time. And here is the thing what AI cannot do. And this is the part that costs people real money. It cannot know how much risk you can handle. It cannot feel sudden change in the world that something is going to happen this morning. And it cannot even tell the difference between the CEO that truly believe in their company or the one who is quietly selling their shares behind the doors. And most important of all, it cannot take the blame when trade goes into opposite direction. So who are the people winning here? They are not the one who just found the best AI tools. They are the one who figure out where we have to stop the AI usage and where we have to use it. I want to be honest with you. I still use AI every single day, but the way I use now looks completely different when I started. It's just a tool, a fast, powerful tool that sometimes sounds too sure of itself. It tries to hallucinate too much stuff. It's just like another tool. A hammer cannot build a home, but the person who is holding does. If you are a new investor, this is the best time you can build right habits around the AI. Don't fear it, use it in a right way. Or if you are a person who is into investing, already have something that AI doesn't have, a real experience. The real gut feeling you only learn by living through the real market crashes. And that's your edge. Don't trade it anyway for the chatbot. The market will always reward the person who thinks clearly over the person who thinks fast. AI give you speed anyways, and you are the one who brings clarity.